Dubai is a city and emirate in the UAE known for luxury shopping, ultra-modern architecture and a lively nightlife scene. Dubai is a city of skyscraper, beaches, mosque and a place where big business running. Islam is the majority religion but churches and Hindu temples coexist with Dubai's mosques. Dubai is a safe place to visit. Today in this video, I will guide you with 4-night 5 days Dubai tour plan in just 60,000 including visa, flight, hotel details, COVID protocols, tourist spot and complete breakup with day-wise tour plan. So don't skip the video and watch till end for the entire information. Before we start today, first subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. Coming to the first point, which is flight. To reach Dubai, you have to get down at Abu Dhabi International Airport. You can avail direct flight from any metro city of our country. Flight fare highly depends upon the city from where you will board the flight. On an average, flight cost will be 20 to 22,000 for both sides if you book prior 5 to 6 months. You can book those tickets through MMT website. Link for the website given below in the description box. Coming to the next point, which is visa. 4 types of visa is there for Dubai, which I will be explaining you one by one. 14 days tourist visa. This is the most common type of visa for Dubai issued for tourism. You can stay for 14 days in Dubai with this visa. Cost for this visa will be 7,000 to 8,000. 30 days tourist visa. This is also valid for tourists and you can stay 30 days with this visa. Cost will be 9 to 10,000. 90 days Dubai tourist visa. This one is for those who are traveling for long time due to business purpose or any other specific reason. Cost will be 20 to 23,000. 96 hours transit visa. This visa is ideal for those who taking stopover at UAE airport en route to their onward journey. Cost will be 4,000. So if you are planning to visit Dubai for 4 to 5 days, then go for the first one, which is 14 days tourist visa. Few documents required for visa processing. Scanned copy of first and last page of your passport, scanned copy of passport size photograph, confirmed return air ticket. You can have your visa done through online by your own or through any agent services, which one is convenient for you. It will take 4 to 5 working days to get the visa done. Travel insurance will be included with the visa. The next one is COVID-19 protocol. Before you enter UAE, you have to get RT-PCR test report done 72 hours prior boarding the flight. When you will come back to India, then also you have to perform the test again. Hotel details. Best place to stay in UAE is Abu Dhabi city. From here, it will be easier to access the rest of the places, and also price ranges are quite cheaper than other places of UAE. Now it's up to you whether you want to stay at normal hotel or you want a luxurious stay at a 5-star beach resort. I will give you some budget hotel details where you can stay for 4 nights. Executive Suites by Moroj Gloria Superior Hotel Apartments. Cost will be 3,000 rupees per night with tax. Millennium Central Mafraq Hotel. Cost will be 3,100 rupees with tax. Premium in Abu Dhabi Capital Center. Cost will be 3,300 rupees with tax. Centro AI Manhal Hotel by Rotana Abu Dhabi. Cost will be 3,800 rupees per night with tax. Ramada by Windham Abu Dhabi. Cost will be 3,800 rupees per night with tax. Park in Abu Dhabi. Cost will be 4,300 rupees per night with tax. Best time to visit Dubai is November to March, as its winter weather remains quite pleasant, but it's the peak time for tourist gathering. So you can visit at April as well if you can adjust with the heat. You can opt for 3-meal course inclusion with stay at your respective hotel, but I would suggest to explore the local food if you visit Dubai. You can get food ranging between 200 to 3,600 rupees, depends on the restaurants. So on an average, cost for 3 meals will be 1,000 rupees per day. Dubai currency is AED, which is Arab Emirates Dirham. At present, it's equal to 19.75 INR, so you can exchange the currency from India itself before visiting Dubai. Now coming to the most important point, which is the day-wise tour plan. Dubai is a city for luxury. There is not much to explore like other abroad cities. 490 is enough to access all the places. Day 1. After reaching Dubai, check into your hotel, get fresh and then go out for Abu Dhabi city tour. It will cost 1800 to 2000 rupees. Pick up and drop from hotel is included. First visit the world's most magnificent mosque, Sheikh Zayed Mosque. Then go to Abu Dhabi Heritage Village. Then visit the Ferrari World. You will have the experience of 40 unique, thrilling rides and experiences at Ferrari World, along with 240 km/h world's fastest roller coaster. Ferrari World ticket price is not included in this package. You have to pay extra 4,900 rupees for this. You can book this ticket through online as well, link given below in the description box. In the evening, you can visit the Yas Mall. It's the largest mall in the entire Abu Dhabi. Day 2. Go for Dubai City Tour. You can do the city tour by bus. Start with Burj Khalifa. Ticket for Burj Khalifa depends upon the floor from where you want to have the view. On an average, it will be 3,000 to 5,000 rupees. You can also visit the aquarium and underwater zoo and the dancing fountain. Best option to get a package for Burj Khalifa, zoo, aquarium and fountain, which will cost 4,000 to 6,000 rupees. Pick up and drop from your hotel will be included in this package. In the evening, you can go for Dhao Cruise Dinner Dubai Marina. It's a Falcon Oasis Dhao Cruise designed in a traditional wooden dhao, also known as floating restaurant. Adding to the dining experience is outstanding entertainment on board. It's a 120-minute cruising. Timing is 8:30 to 10:30 pm. Price starting from 1900 rupees. Day 3. Go for desert safari in Abu Dhabi or Dubai. Lot of options are there for packages like desert safari with camel ride, sandboarding, barbecue dinner or quad bike ride. Packages start from 1800 to 3000 rupees. This tour will be for 6 to 7 hours. You can also enjoy belly dance in the evening and a lot of other activities. Day 4 is for hop-off bus tour which will cost 4,000 rupees. You can visit the Burj Al Arab. It's basically a luxurious hotel. Then they will take you to visit Jumeirah Beach, the Dubai Museum, the Gold Souk, Dubai Creek and Miracle Garden. Pick up and drop is included with this package. In the evening, you can go to Dubai Mall, local market areas, shops of Abu Dhabi or Dubai, wherever you will be staying. So this is how your entire trip of Dubai will end here. You can also visit Warner Brothers, Wild Wadi Water Park, Yas Water World if you have one more day in your bucket. Day 5, back to airport and return back to India. So this is the entire breakup for the tour plan. I have also mentioned the link for booking of Delhi tour and activity packages below in the description box. Hope this video is very informative for you guys. We'll come back soon with next video. Stay safe, wear mask.